Hey everyone, I have a collective haul for you guys, and it's quite a bit of things, so I'm just gonna jump right in. So I walked into Michael's, and I noticed they had 80% off of all their Christmas items left over, which was surprisingly a lot. They did have two of these gingerbread house cookie cutter sets left, and so I just snagged them both. They were $260 with the 80% off. And then I was at Meijer, and I saw this Bonsley plush, and I had to have it. It was $12.99. And then back to the Christmas stuff at Michael's. This was originally $9.99. It's a gingerbread man silicone mold, and I got it for $2. And then I got a few stamp cookie cutters. This one's a gingerbread house, and then I also got Santa. Both of these were 60 cents each after the 80% off. I also got these cupcake liners. They have little sprinkles and a Santa at the bottom. They're super cute. And I got these for 80 cents. And then Michael's already has Valentine's Day stuff on sale. So these two cookie cutters, they're like pet related, but they're in the Valentine's Day sale. They were $1.19 each, and they were 20% off. And then I got two silicone molds that were similar designs, and they were originally $4.99 on sale for $2.99. And then I got this dog-shaped cookie cutter. This was also 20% off, so $1.19. This wasn't included in the sale, but this was $4.99. It's two heart-shaped cake pans with lids. They're just like the tin ones. And then at Costco, I got this Schmidt 3-piece set. It's 2 knives and a scraper, and it seemed really nice, and it was only $9.97, so I snagged it. I keep jumbling the stores around, but this is from Meijer. It's just a random little onion saver for $3.99. Keeps your onions fresh in the fridge. I got two farm apple pumpkin wax melts from Walmart. They were $1.97 each. These little booties were $15 at Costco. I got a few cookbooks at an antique shop. This was a 1955 Pillsbury cookbook. It was $9.75. I also got this one called Secrets of the Great Old Timey Cooks. This was $3.95. They had another one from the same author, but it's recipes from like 1900 to 1950. It's called Mama's in the Kitchen. Also $3.95. And then I really like these boots from Costco. I already have them, but I saw this one was $4.97, so these are a backup pair now. If you see this at your Costco, get them. They're $6.99. They're like sweet honey roasted peanuts. They're delicious. And my mom knows I'm a huge fan of Reese's, and she got me this Reese's Pieces pillow for my birthday, and you can literally zip it open and take the pieces out, and she thought this was the cutest thing ever. And then my mom got this giant birthday cake squishy thing on her birthday, and she actually just gave it to me around my birthday because it cluttered her office and she just wanted more space, so I took the giant squishy happily. My friends and I did our Christmas exchange a little late, but one of my friends got me this Once Upon a Kitchen cookbook. It's inspired by Star Wars, Harry Potter, fairy tales, etc. She also got me this dice set because she knows I collect dice. From Target's dollar section, I got these two produce bins. This one was $5, and then I got a smaller one that was $3. This one's a little harder to show, but also at Target while I was there, I got this giant platter that I saw. It was originally $10. I got it for $7. This one's actually from a work party. They had a raffle and I entered for this and won it. This was the Bella 12 by 22 inch griddle with a warming tray, and I'm super excited about this one. And I don't know if they have different colors, but this one's in the color oat milk. That was everything I had to show for this collective haul. If you saw something on sale that you liked, the sale might still be going on. I got these all pretty recently. With that being said, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see my future videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button. That will tell you when my videos come out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!